So polymorphism allows the same interface for different objects, so the programmers can write the program more easily and efficiently. So I have made a class parrot, and then I have given a method named fly. So we will be making another class, and we will also use the fly method in that class also. So here the parrot can fly. So let's make another method named swim. Let's make self as the argument. We'll print parrot. Okay, parrot can't swim. Okay, so now I am going to make another class named penguin. Okay, so here we'll use the same methods. Okay, and later on we'll make a common interface. So here the penguin can't fly, so I'm going to write here penguin can't fly, and here penguin can swim. So we write here penguin can swim. Okay, so let's make a common interface. Let's define flying underscore bar, let's say test. Okay, and then we'll put the bird, okay, as a argument, and now we'll call bird dot fly. So let's make the objects. So parrot's name is blue parrot, and then let's make pingu equals penguin. Okay, so now let's pass the object flying underscore test. Okay, and let's put the bird name as blue. Here also flying test, and then we'll write pingu. Let's run the program. So you can see parrot can fly and penguin can't fly. So we have made the two classes, parrot and penguin, each of them with common fly method. So the functions are different here.